Good afternoon, I'm Sean Taylor with Silver Creek Realty Group, and I just want to welcome you to 6127 East Path Drive in Nampa. This is in the Fairhaven community, built by Coleman Homes, which is now Toll Brothers. Very close to the freeway, shopping, shortest commute possible to Meridian and Boise, because it's kind of right on the Nampa border. Beautiful community. And the community park and pool is right there, so you can, oh, actually even closer, right there. Super close by. Beautiful home, nice wide driveway. Notice the mature trees here. Nice landscaping with curbing, vinyl fencing. Has the rain chain. That's just a more aesthetic way of pulling the rain down with full gutters. Vented eaves. Nice tall garage doors with the glass inlay, and notice the nice stone accents here along the front. Very neutral colors. Again, thriving yards. You have the corbels up there. I like that touch. That's what they call corbels right there. And then you walk up to the front, again, full gutters. And you have the covered front patio. And notice the nice wide concrete, super flat, no steps, no big cracks or anything in it, just really well done. This home was built in 2019, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2458 square feet. A nice little porch area out here to sit at. And I love the modern style front door with the glass inlays. The brushed nickel hardware on the front door. Let's go inside and take a look. Okay, heading inside the house now. First thing you'll notice are the nice tall 9-foot ceilings in here, and that it's a very open floor plan. Again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus a den, plus a huge bonus room upstairs. Notice the low maintenance vinyl plank flooring on the main level. Huge dining space, room for any size gathering really. I love that this model has the full wood wrap windows, huge windows, expansive. It's a little art niche. Another one over here on that wall. Big family room, where you've got plenty of room at the bar here. Breakfast bar for seating and still not impede your foot traffic and have any size furniture that you want. Plenty of room for a big screen TV and the beautiful corner fireplace with the rock accent all the way to the ceiling. You can see that there a little better, it's gas. Again, nice big windows. Custom light fixtures in here as well. So you notice here in the entryway and in the dining room. Very light and bright house. Some black accents. You walk into the kitchen. This was a huge upgrade that the buyers opted for the gourmet kitchen. It gives you a lot more space, counter space, the extra tall cabinets, the upgraded drop pendant lighting that the homeowners added, the full tile backsplash, actual granite countertops. Has the range over here and the built-in microwave. I'm sorry, the oven and the microwave, and then you've got the gas cooktop here, Whirlpool with the vent hood, crown molding on the cabinets. Then you have this awesome sink. I'm not gonna let my wife see this one. Nice and deep, wide. It's a nice tall faucet. You can fit any size spaghetti pot there. Dishwasher. Again, Whirlpool. Kind of the nice deep window area here looking out to the backyard, which we'll get to later. I like the glass door here as well. It just brings in more light. No rear neighbors. And it also has the split floor plan. So we have the master over here and more bedrooms over here. So let's start over here. Another art niche. This is the den, which could also be converted to another bedroom, as it does have a closet there. Another big full wood wrap window, more custom light fixtures, and then you have lots of recessed can lighting in the hallway. And you have the Sun Valley texturing in the house as well. They even wrapped this window here. Very cool. You have your guest bath, which I love the fact that it's far away from the entertaining area. Shower tub combo with a nice big window that does open over there. The raised vanity here, tile backsplash, the upgraded elongated toilet, and then the homeowner's done some other nice little touches like this shelf right here. Custom mirror and light fixture in there as well. And I love these poles. I've never seen them before. Kind of these cool leather poles on the drawers there. Okay, next bedroom number 1. Decent size. Some personal wall accent touches here and custom paint. Curtains and rods. This house is 2x6 construction. Your slider closet there. I love the 5-panel doors throughout the house also, very modern. Flat panel electrical. Tons of storage, so you have storage here. And I'll try to point it out in the rest of the house. Nice tall windows here with little ledge under the window kids can sit on or put their Legos, whatever you want to do. Again, 9-foot ceilings in here. Nice big closet. All right, let's head over back to the other side of the house now. Leave our beautiful big open family room and head over to the laundry. Okay, here's the laundry space right here. Huge cabinets in here. I like it when the builders match the kitchen cabinets to those. The tile flooring. There's the door to the garage, and also right around the corner is the stairs to the bonus room up. Additional storage space right here. And here is the primary bedroom, which is approximately 14 by 16, maybe a smidge larger. That's the ideal size for a primary bedroom. 15 by 15, 14 by 16. This is a king size bed, and you see you still have plenty of room for dressers along the side or nightstands. So have some additional light sconces attached. Custom ceiling fan and light fixture. Plenty of room for a TV and dresser over here. I'm gonna stay out of the way of the mirror. And again, huge window, blinds throughout the house, curtain rods, more windows over here. Nice architectural touches there. And the bathroom's pretty awesome. You have this nice deep soaker tub. Again, huge window here. And you've got the double sink here, nice long vanity with, again, custom mirrors and light fixtures. Pretty neat looking. Kind of the bamboo style around there. I like it when they pull in some earth touches with wood accents in a home. And then this was a huge builder upgrade, adding the full walk-in tile shower. It's fantastic. Very deep, very wide, detachable shower heads here, kind of the river rock flooring. It's nice that the handle and the built-in niches over here as well. It's nice because you can just reach in, turn it on, and not get sprayed. A couple little towel holders out here. Okay, then you have the enclosed commode, tile flooring. Again, the elongated toilet, 9-foot ceilings. And you have the closet area over here with some built-ins. Plenty of space. Now let's take you upstairs and out to, well, we'll show you the garage first, and then we'll finish with the bonus room and then head outside. Okay, so there's the stairs going up to the bonus. But before we go up there, here's the nice big 3-car garage with has the man door going out. If you see the light coming out from the right, lots of concrete, plenty of room for your 3 vehicles. And now we'll head upstairs. I like the fact that the builder did the wood across there. Most of the homes do not have that. It's just a nice little finishing touch. And 9-foot ceilings up here as well. Very big bonus room. 19 by 17. Huge window, 2 lights, wired for a ceiling fan in the middle there, another window. I love it when on these bonus rooms above the garages, a lot of them, they'll bring the ceiling down to here, and then they're not functional with TVs, dressers, beds, stuff like that. So this one's very functional. Plenty of room up here. All right, let's head outside and take a look. Okay, we're heading out from the dining kitchen area. And you'll notice the full vinyl fencing, the rocks, perimeter rock or lava chip all the way around the house. Nice landscaping. Has the extended concrete out here. Again, the full rain gutters. Electrical outlet here, a very conveniently located spigot. Now they have a dog that they got in the last year that has done a little bit of damage right here. And we can chat about that and see if we can get that remedied. That is a large puppy that likes to eat grass and pull stuff up. But plenty of room to play. That's the man door I was referring to earlier. It's a great idea to do this rock along the side of the house to prevent water entry. A lot of homes you'll see they put the sprinklers right here, and that's the #1 cause for siding damage and water entry into your crawl space. So the seller went through great expense putting in all the curbing and making it very low maintenance. And no rear neighbors. You have some nice pine trees behind you here. If you would like to schedule a showing or have any additional questions, feel free to ask your agent, or if you're not working with somebody, feel free to contact me directly, Sean Taylor, 208-340-0000. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.